Oh, I like that patio.
What he was doing.
Look good, Mira.
Just going out and playing, you know. He wanted to make some records.
No.
December 26, 1985, Rick Nelson went into the recording
Darling, do you mind not
going
right into me?
Oh, sorry.
Gross! You're gonna get slapped.
2 nights before, he was celebrating his favorite holiday.
Say uncle. Say uncle. Say uncle. Louder. Louder, bitch. Say it. Say it. Say it.
You can't hurt me.
Say it. Say it.
That actually feels pretty good.
Say it. Say it. Okay.
Uncle.
And say you're sorry.
So sorry, but Cliff put me up to it.
Beg for forgiveness.
Please.
I wish now I had done it.
Someone was going to take a beating.
I wish now I had done it.
He knew someone was going to take a beating.
Yeah. Well, actually, it was spontaneous.
It wasn't going to be him, huh?
Darling, what was in that bottle?
Drugs. Drugs. Just drugs.
No.
Just drugs.
Oh, yeah,
Looks like there's something.
just a lime away.
Well, in that case, we should spray some on you.
Yeah, right. I should spray it on your pussy instead. Hard water deposits. They're difficult to control.
Oh, blood.
Hey, did you see that?
Bloods. Bloods, darling.